Good morning. My name is Persistence. Today I'm going to show you my basic strategy on how I trade. First thing I do, I set up my charts like this daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. The 5-minute chart is the chart I usually trade. I start the daily chart to see what direction the trend is going in. If you look right here, it appears to be going in a downward motion. I get confirmation from the 4-hour chart that that's exactly what it's doing. So that's consistent with me. So then I move over to the 15-minute chart, and it tells me the same thing. I don't know how to read candlesticks, so I don't know how to make all those fancy moves like when to get in, when to get out at a certain point in time to make some money. So basically I just trade in the direction of the trend. I always heard that the trend was your friend, so that's how I trade. And when I get to the 5-minute chart, it's not really so simple. But in actuality, that's where the MACD comes in. If you look right here, you see this downward motion right here on the MACD? That's this motion right here. And the way I use the MACD is like this. When that red line crosses that blue line right there, this is usually what happens. You see that? How it went up? That's that little motion right there. All that's this. And when the red line crossed that blue line again, you see that action right there? That's most likely when I would have got in. But in actuality, I got in yesterday right here. At about 10 o'clock yesterday, I sold one lot at around 88.8834.7. That's about 88 pounds because I do trade the Euro GBP. And I got up to 6.4 pips right here. And if I'd have stayed in, I probably could have got another 6 pips right here. Well, this is right here. This is when Asia was closing. And this is where London, right now, what we're in right now, open. Asia closed right here, and London open right here. So I probably could have made that little bit of money right there. Right now, this is what I'm doing. I'm waiting to see what they're up to. My next move will most likely be to look for a sell position. Right now, the moving average is going down, so obviously that tells me that the trend is still in the bearish market. Now, this red line crosses this blue line, I most likely won't, because you can tell that right here, you see this wavy action right here? You might see a little action right up here on the top. That's for if you want to buy, but most likely it won't get any higher than this right here, unless Bloomberg tells me otherwise on the news. It's the news what actually moves the markets. And if it's bad news for, let's say, the euro, we definitely want to sell the euro and buy the pound, because that's what's been going on right now. I don't know what's happening in the markets right now, but let's find out. To get aid and assistance from Bloomberg, I go right over here. I'm already logged in. Go to live TV. It's on Bloomberg TV, United States. I listen to these guys sometime to see what's actually moving the markets. And the next time I get in, it'll most likely be, I could get in right now, but I'm not too sure what's going on right now. So I just want to wait. What I should have done in actuality, I already know that this is a bearish market. So when I got in over here, I could have just stayed in until the market closed this afternoon. If you're just starting with Forex, I wouldn't recommend you really do that until you got more experience and experiment a little bit more. So right now, since London has opened, they're still wondering what in the world they're gonna do. I think it's gonna go down. Not just because the moving average tells me so, but that's what's been going on over the past few weeks. with this right here. Well, actually over the past few days with the Euro GBP. So basically, this is how I trade. And stay tuned. I try to show you whether or not I can make a power move. Right now, I'm just showing you the basics on how I trade. I get confirmation from all these charts of the general direction it's moving in. And then when I get to the 5-minute chart, I use the MACD. I wait for this red line to cross the moving average in either direction for a buy or sell order. And then I try to make money. 6.4 pips on the micro account at 10 cents a point. That's pretty decent, but you know, I'm ready. I'm trying to get to the big money. You know, that's on that standard account. This is a micro account. So you guys stay tuned. I'll let you know when I become a millionaire doing this nonsense. Take care.